Welcome back to Houston Life. When it comes to dental health, natural wear and tear can lead to problems with your smile. But the latest in dental implant technology promises to offer a more permanent solution. Periodontist and founder of Texas Dental Implant Center, Dr. Michelle Azar, joins us now along with his patient, Michael Alexson, who recently got a brand new smile.
Yeah.
You were showing it off during the commercial break. And you were telling us before this procedure, Michael, you would hide your teeth. It's almost like you would clench your lips together.
I enjoy smiling and being an upbeat person. And my teeth were starting to fall apart after 70-some years and not having them formed properly from what my dentist told me when I was young. So my smile was a closed smile, like this. And now I have nice teeth. Everyone says, you have a very nice smile. Well, I've always had one, but I didn't like to smile. Can't be any more outgoing, but that's the way it is.
Well, and I think we can all relate to the idea of feeling self-conscious about something, right? Like if you feel like you're not at your best and you walk into a room or you're meeting new people, you might be held back. You, Michael, you worked in the roofing industry for many, many years.
Yes.
You've lived all over the place, California, then Texas, working on industrial buildings as well as residential. So you're out there sort of interfacing with people, meeting people all the time.
It's hard to do your job if you don't want to open your mouth or smile or communicate with people. You do it because it's part of your job. But when you are outgoing, you want to be able to be that way all the time.
For sure. We're seeing the before photos on the screen right now.
Yeah.
And this is something, Dr. Azar, I understand Michael took good care of his teeth throughout his life. Natural wear and tear, right? Our teeth break down over time.
Yeah. When I saw Michael, the first thing that you'll notice about Michael is that he's very outgoing, very energetic. You can never tell that this guy is gonna stop anytime soon.
No.
But then he kind of outlived
100.
his teeth. He definitely outlived his teeth, so he was looking for a solution that will keep him with the same energy and give him the same comfort.
And there are a lot of patients I know who have come through your practice, people who even, you've seen Houston Life, Michael, and you've seen probably Dr. Azar on the show. Why are implants a good solution for many people?
So, implants are a great option compared to dentures, which used to be the only option we had before, because dentures do not preserve your own bone. It actually has the opposite effect. It would threaten your bone, or your bone would shy away, and then you get all these dropping of the lips and sinking of the face. With implants, we're kind of supporting your own bone. We're telling your bone, hey, stay here because you have these implants to support. So it's kind of like giving feedback to your body to build more bone.
We're seeing an animation on the screen right now.
Yes.
These are Michael's teeth, we're seeing?
Yeah, so this is Michael's before teeth and bite. And now when we send it back to the lab and we formulate the new teeth, you can see that overlay over here. It shows his new design or his new teeth. Everything is done on the computer. So it would show what exactly we need to be in establishing a good bite and more importantly, a good smile.
Michael, do you remember how you felt when you first saw that animation of what your teeth could and would look like?
Yeah, I was very surprised. I kind of had an idea what it was going to be like, but like I say, my teeth, it happens so fast. It seems like time kind of goes by fast when you get older anyway. But when your teeth started going downhill, and you don't have the chance or the money or whatever it is in life to keep up with that damage, it goes pretty fast. And then when the front teeth start to go, that's basically your smile. Mm-hmm. And the other part is for eating and digestion, I guess.
Yeah.
And the toothpick becomes your best friend after a while because you're picking out the food that's stuck in your mouth or your teeth.
And out of curiosity, what was it that made you finally take the step and say, hey, I want something that's going to be a better long-term solution?
So my wife and I both were looking for something like Dr. Azar has, and we weren't happy with what we saw on TV, and it was so expensive we couldn't afford it at the time. I hate to say that my mom and dad's passing and what they left my brothers and I helped out quite a bit, but it was able to give us some financial basis that we could go after something a little more permanent than dentures or single implants.
Are you still using toothpicks these
hell
days?
no. I got a stack of them. I don't, in my vehicle, I don't use anymore.
You can use them for something, I'm sure. Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts. Yeah.
And Dr. Azar, this is a typical sort of scenario, right, where people feel like they've maybe reached the end of the road in terms of options for their mouth, or maybe they've been told by another dentist that there's too much bone loss for them, but that's not true?
Yeah, I think the more misconception is that a person would be seeing their own regular dentist, and there's only some set of skills that their dentist is trained for, and so any challenge that comes their way will tell them, hey, you don't have enough bone and think about dentures. But what I often find is that once we see the patient in our clinic and see the x-rays, there's always a lot of bone to work with more specialized implants, which is what we do every day. So two separate skills. Your regular dentist is someone who takes care of your fillings, but a dental implantologist or someone who specifically specializes in implants will be able to do the procedure more predictably.
Yeah, so go to someone like yourself, a periodontist and implantologist. By the way, this is the one arch procedure, and it really is an incredible, I mean, we've met so many people like you, Michael, and I'm very happy for you.
Dr. Edner takes you into his business and sits you down and takes your photographs. The people are right there that are making the teeth. You can all see it going on. You know, you can see the process yourself. It's not something you don't get to see in the back room, and all of a sudden they bring out these teeth and they stick them in your mouth and you're done.
That's wild. I love living in the
It is.
future.
Yes.
I love it. It's so cool. Michael Alexson, it's so nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, and best of luck with I know you're kind of retired, but not really. He's still working. He wants to work forever. And Dr. Michelle Asser, it's great to see you as well.
Thank you so much for having us.
Say hi to your wife.
I will do.
By the way. And in the meantime, the Texas Dental Implant Center does have a special offer for Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation after a short pre-qualification call. That includes a one-on-one chat with Dr. Asser, 3D scan, and x-rays. That is a $1,000 value. To schedule your appointment, call 346-1ARCH. That's 346-663-2724. You can also visit them online at bestdentalimplantshouston.com.